since we are done with step number 1, we have selected the template photo album of Google Slides. After selecting the template, we will be moving to the second step. Now, what is the second step? The second step is inserting images into the template. Place all the images in the folder that you want to place in the template. This will save your time. So what I have done on the scenes, I have just selected the scenes of the hilly areas and I have placed all the scenes over here so that it will save my time when I'm just selecting the images. Step number 2, select the images from the folder, place the images on the template and format the images or text if you want. So this was the template that we have already made. It will take again few seconds in order to load. Till the time we have to wait, the loading is done. Now there are three different ways of inserting an image. I will show you one by one as how to do it. First, since it is loading, we will have to wait till all the slides are loaded. After the loading is done, we can start with the animation. First, what I'm going to do, right click on the image. You are able to see replace image. I'm replacing the image. When I click on the replace image, upload from computer because the folder is on my computer now. The folder is opening now. I require to go on the desktop. On the desktop, I have given the folder as scene. I will select all the hilly regions. First, I'm selecting Simla, open. You will be able to see creating images. Simla has come over here. Again, select it. On the first slide, I'm going to show you various kinds of only replace option. Replace. I'll show you how to crop the image again by using computer. Upload by using computer. I'm clicking on it. I'll select certain different image. Now I'm selecting Nainital, open. When you double click on it, you will be able to see all these options. That is the corners. These corners are basically used for just cropping the image. If you don't want, keep it as it is. Select anywhere in between the slide. Now third image. Select it. Again replace image. Upload from computer. Now I'm selecting the third image. All the three images have been inserted. If you want to select the font, you can change the font from here. Just click it. We are already doing this particular part in many of the presentations. Click it. Hilly regions. So your first slide is ready now. If you want to give any name or any time, give it, or else just delete this particular part. So the first slide is ready.